All right. It's that time again, my friends. Yard and garage sailing. I'm out here. It's Saturday morning, and I am on the look, or shall say, on the hunt. So, with that being said, if you're into this sort of content, head over to your fridge, grab your favorite beverage, head on back to your screen, and enjoy the show. It's looking like another day in paradise. Oh yeah, let's get it.
Good, yourself? Awesome.
Oh yeah. Put it in the back, the middle part.
All right, nothing at that one. On to the next one.
Good morning. Good, you? Awesome.
No, I just want more eggs. Eggs and juice, please.
Hello.
Welcome back, everyone. It's one of those days. I was out all day yard and garage sailing with nothing to show for. But let's dive right into the video. First things first, this unit right here, Ideal 61722. Great little item. If you're an electrician, you know what's up with this. Second, another great item, right? For the phones, testing, etc. Blah blah blah. It's an older unit, still great deals on those. This I'm keeping for the house. Anytime I see something new that we can use, update the house. Not bad. Paid $2 for that. Nicholson file. Mill bastard. This knife's pretty interesting. Has a guard here. Has a little bit of a wiggle. Some play back and forth on that blade. But the mechanism is on point. And the star of the show. When I was purchasing this unit, I had said that I make knives, so he ran over, he grabbed this. This wasn't for sale, but he offered it for sale. So I gave him an offer that he couldn't refuse, and it's here with me. World War II infantry, airborne infantry, fighting knife. It's marked there. M3. Also the sheath. I believe it's fiberglass. Someone cut the belt loop. The loop with a snap to hold in the knife. Anyways, that's all I have. Nothing but junk. It's dirty my table. But guys and gals, have a good one. Cheers.